Good morning friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and in today's video we're going to be doing some more work on my youngest son's room. I'm just sitting on his new twin bed right now, but I still have not gotten the wardrobe in here. It's honestly been a week, I think, since the last time I filmed, which was putting this bed together and stuff. I was supposed to, you know, do it and to film the next day, and that just did not happen. It's been a little crazy over here. I had to go to a specialist appointment. I have to have surgery on my gallbladder. That needs to come out. And then we've just been struggling with some things over here. So things got pushed aside. The room is not done yet. We're gonna work some more on it today. Hopefully I can get it done. I'm gonna work on bringing the wardrobe in, and then so I gotta clear this out first and then get that moved out of here. And then I look kind of blurry. What is going on? There we go. Yeah, I just have a lot to do. So without further ado, let's jump into working on this bedroom because it really needs to get done. I really want it done before Christmas. I mean, I have 2 weeks before Christmas, but by the time you see this, it's about like a week before Christmas. But anyways, yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so here we are in his bedroom. This is how it's looking. Okay, I showed a friend a picture of this and she says the shelves are too high, and I would have to agree. I might have to lower those. I agree. They are too high. So that'll be probably in this video. We will get to it. And then here we are. I was thinking of getting a smaller one, but I think I'm just gonna leave this one because it does hold so much in it. Honestly, I could use the storage in his room. I'm just gonna have to anchor it to the wall. Everything's still a mess. I gotta go through so much stuff, and over here again it's still a mess, but honestly it's just a work in progress. I'm thinking I might take that down because we don't hang any clothes anyway, and I'm thinking of making this his little like toy and book area. I'm not sure. Jeez Louise, this room is becoming more and more difficult, and I keep changing my mind like every time I start working on it. So I don't know. What do you guys think? But I think I need to lower the shelves for sure. His little chest of drawers that was from IKEA is so cute. I love that color. I would have wanted it lighter because on the swatch it was definitely a much lighter blue, but I actually kind of like how it turned out. So I think I'm just gonna leave that. And yeah, we're just gonna continue to work on this room. Okay, so you missed it because I thought I had the camera recording and it was not. I just drilled 2 holes for my chalkboard to go up. I'm gonna put his chalkboard back up in here. Well, I guess it was never up in here, but it was up in his old room. So, cut some screws. And now I'm going to do this. And I did it with the tape method again. Dark in here. Okay, it is the next day. I don't know how long I'll have to film today. I really don't have much time, but I am going to hang up the shelf, this shelf here, I think above that photo. I think I'm gonna do that today, and then, I mean, for the most part it's done, and I could probably show you where it's at now and honestly call it a day. I mean, I would love to add some more like decor pieces and stuff, but that's just gonna come in time. So I'll probably hang this shelf, style it, tidy up the room, and then do a little tour of it and be done, because honestly for the most part it is completely done at this point. But like I said, I just want a few like little decor pieces, so we'll see how it all comes together. Like I would love to get some more stuff for the peg rail there, and I was gonna move these shelves down, but I think I'm just gonna leave them for now. They were bugging me that they were up too high, but honestly it's probably fine. I probably don't need to move them, but anyways, I'm going to get the shelf hung up. Hopefully it goes good. I'm just gonna use my painter's tape method, something I use all the time, and then hopefully it all works out. But that's where we're at right now. Okay, let's go hang up the shelf. Okay, so I think I am done for now. I do have some wooden bins that are coming for underneath the bed, but this is when you walk into the door, we have a gate so that we can keep him in at night, because if not, he would be all over the house. But when you first walk in, we have his little nightstand with some vintage books and some other things. We have his little peg rack, which is like not really styled. It needs to be, you know, fixed. And then we come over here. Now, I feel like I guess my theme of doing this room is I put everything up way too high. Because I feel like this needs to come down, and I also feel like those need to come down, but I'm just going to leave it for now. And I don't know if I centered it properly. Like, let me know. Does that look centered? I don't know, guys. Ugh. It's at least level. But I still think it's too high. I don't know. He likes to bounce. So, I don't know. Anyways, that's what that looks like. I just have a little silhouette and then some Christmas books up here and some bottle brush trees. And then I have his little bookshelves with some more Christmas books. His bed is from Wayfair. And this Swiss cross pillow is from Etsy. His shelving is from Amazon, and a lot of these books I actually ordered on Amazon. Actually, I think all of those books I did. The frame is thrifted. That peg rail is from Amazon. His nightstand is from IKEA. A lot of this stuff here was thrifted, except for this little rabbit, Peter Rabbit. He is from Amazon. This puppet is from Amazon. The Pinocchio puppet. That little wooden camera's from Amazon. This little thing I got before he was born, and that was from Etsy. His bedding is actually a duvet cover from IKEA. I got some flannel sheets. I don't like the color of these. They're called Mineral, and I don't really care for the color. I wish I would have got a different color, but it is what it is. This green blanket's from H&M. His little toy box is from Amazon. Pillows from HomeSense. Map is from Etsy. The Candy Cane garland is from HomeSense. Which he's like pulling apart. I can see like he's pulled this one apart. Yeah, anyways, it is what it is. The wardrobe was a Facebook Marketplace find. And then a lot of this stuff is like the garland is from H&M. What's this thing? Chalkboard is from Amazon. The farm is from like Walmart or something. This is his little like schedule thing. He is autistic, so sometimes visual things help. We don't use it a ton, but it's like a fun little thing that he can like play with if he wants to. He doesn't really, but it's kind of like a daily schedule thing for kids with sensory things or don't like transitions. That could help. Got his books, 2 bins of toys. I just have his hangers in there for now because I need to figure out if I'm going to put like a pole in there to hang up clothes. And that is that. That's his whole room. Oh, his rug is from Wayfair as well. But yeah, that is his room. Okay, I'm just sitting down on his bed. I'm kind of out of breath because I just changed the sheets and made the bed, which is kind of sad that I'm out of breath just from that. But anyways, I am completely done. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is for now. I will definitely add more decor. I just don't have what I want right now. I definitely need to work on that peg rail because it just looks funny the way it is. So I'll be working on that, change some things. Things are always evolving here. Things are always changing. So things will always change. My hair's sticking up. That's just the way it is. I am always changing my mind. But I think the next 2 videos, I'm going to take a break from projects because Christmas is coming up in like less than 2 weeks. By the time you see this, I think it is like 2 weeks away. So yeah, I'm gonna take a break from doing some makeovers and DIYs. The next area I want to start on is the hallway. I think I have mentioned that I'm gonna get the peel and stick beadboard wallpaper because it's a cheaper option. And I have a friend that used it and she had great success with it. So I think that is gonna be the next project, which is gonna be in the hallway. Of course, my battery's starting to die, so I need to finish this up. Anyways, so I think that's gonna be the next project, but that won't be till January. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps me out, and definitely consider subscribing if you enjoy thrifting videos, DIYs, things like that. I do a lot of that type of content here on this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.